Samsung ICR18650-26 battery. Quality in every detail. Scale empowers efficiency, and mass production reshapes value. Battery management chip, S2. Precision circuit protection board empowering lasting power. The shell is made of ABS-PC environmentally friendly material. Full inspection in 1 second, 100% interception of defective products. Micron-level spot welding, thorough error connection. Finished products are the answer sheet, and the craftsmanship is not compromised. Solar panel welding. Battery circuit welding. cover the wiring. Bake the heat shrink tube to insulate the battery. Finished battery testing. Battery aging, machine age. Monitor data anytime and anywhere to prevent defect. After testing, the battery is packed in the case. Glue the bottom shell and fix the battery. Other side of the battery shell. Open every process to witness the birth of quality. Factory direct sale. Original. Precision craftsmanship shows its edge. Quality is obvious at. Battery internal details. Ingenuity in every detail. Battery labeling. From the factory to your hands, perfection remains unchanged. The finished product is the only standard for inspection. Gray battery. Tip-like display. Back display. Black battery. Back display. Plug into the charging base and charge instantly. Real battery tech. Battery slot. Install battery operation. Slip the battery cover downward. Easy to install. Align with the battery slot and push the battery inward. Simply close the battery cover. Installation completed. Power minus on detection. No need to worry about compatibility issues. The machine operates normally. Dual battery on minus machine installation and testing. Open the battery cover. Release the safety latch. Insert the battery. Release the safety latch again. Insert the other battery. Secure the battery with the safety latch and close the battery cover. Battery installation is complete. Power minus on testing. No need to worry about compatibility issues. The machine operates normal. Dual battery on minus machine installation and testing. Open the battery cover. Release the safety latch. Insert the battery. Release the safety latch again. Insert the other battery. Secure the battery with the safety latch and close the battery cover. Battery installation is complete. Power minus on testing. No need to worry about compatibility issues. The machine operates normally. On the main screen, the battery status information is displayed correctly. Thank you for watching.